Hello dear kids, how are you? Like and subscribe my channel. Let's we play. Hey, hey, there's a wow uncle. Hey, wow kids, hello. There's a cow eating banana and grapes. Hey, hey, there's a troll and a baby doll. Hulk, where you are going? Hey kids, I am going for change the trolley tires. Hey, what is happening with the cars? Cars breed in the sand. We have them. Balance of the tire. The trolley is out. Hey, hey, my bros uncle, hello. Hello, troll. My bros. The troll, what is it doing here? Hey, kids. The troll is my new assistant on my workshop. Boom, 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 boom. Hello, Hulk. We meet long time before. Yes, I come to change my trolley tires. Don't worry, my assistant change the tire. Hey kid, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. I change the tire with dancing. Hey 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 hey. Dun, dun, dun. Hey. The trolley tires unbalancing. We remove bad tires and feed the new tires to the trolley. Hey, look at, I changed the tires. Yeah. 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 Now I feed the tires to the trolley. Hey, hip hip hooray, 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 hip hip hooray. Hey kids, look there. Oh wow, we feed the tire and they're working well in balancing. Hey, now feed the second axle. Hey, hey, troll. No. I now need of second axle of the trolley. Thank you. Thank you, my bros. Thank you, troll. Mention not why. Dun.